Imagine an object, crafted by human hands, drifting completely alone in the absolute freezing darkness of cosmic emptiness. It is now over 15 billion miles away from Earth, a place so remote that even the light from our sun takes over 22 hours to reach it. For nearly 50 years, this silent traveler has been cosmic hitchhiking across the universe. It survived intense planetary radiation, crossed the boundaries of our solar system, and entered interstellar space. But recently, something terrifying happened. Deep in the cosmic void, it started sending mysterious, garbled data back to NASA. It was as if something or someone was trying to corrupt its memory. But this machine is not just a bunch of metal and wires. It carries humanity's ultimate time capsule, a golden record containing the sounds of Earth, our cosmic map, and greetings in 55 languages, including a message of peace that might outlive human civilization itself. If an advanced alien civilization ever finds it, this will be our only proof that we once existed. This is the story of Voyager 1, a spacecraft that is running out of power, losing its warmth, and preparing for its final, eternal sleep. What did it discover out there? And what happens when its heart beats for the very last time? Welcome back to Smart Fact Sphere. Today we journey to the absolute edge of human creation. To understand the mystery of Voyager 1, we must flash back to 1977. NASA took advantage of a rare alignment of the outer planets, a cosmic event that happens only once every 175 years. Voyager 1 was launched on a grand tour to explore the giants of our solar system. It captured unprecedented, breathtaking close-ups of Jupiter's violent storms and Saturn's icy rings, changing planetary science forever. But as it prepared to leave the solar system, scientists realized this craft might float in deep space for billions of years, long after humans are gone. So they attached a message, a 12-inch gold-plated copper phonograph record. Inside this golden disc lies the heartbeat of our world, the sound of roaring thunder, a mother's kiss, whale songs, and the timeless music of Bach and Mozart. It is humanity's ultimate message in a bottle. On its cover, scientists engraved mathematical symbols showing Earth's exact position in the galaxy using pulsars as cosmic clocks. It contains greetings in 55 human languages. If an intelligent alien life ever intercepts this silent ghost, they will hear a friendly voice, a message of peace, floating in the dark cosmic ocean. But as Voyager 1 flew past Neptune, it headed straight toward the edge of the sun's protective bubble. In 2012, it breached the boundary, becoming the first human object to enter interstellar space, a place where no human eye has ever seen, where the interstellar winds howl in total silence. And that is where the real mystery begins. Once Voyager 1 crossed the heliosphere, it entered a cosmic desert. Interstellar space is not just empty, it is a frozen graveyard of cosmic radiation completely isolated from the solar winds. At this mind-boggling distance, our entire planet Earth is nothing more than a pale blue dot, invisible to the naked eye. Voyager is flying blind completely on its own, through the uncharted dark. For decades, its ancient computer, which has less memory than a modern car key, sent reliable data. But recently, a chilling anomaly baffled NASA engineers. The spacecraft suddenly stopped making sense. It was still transmitting a strong signal, but instead of science data, it was sending a continuous loop of garbled, randomized binary nonsense. It was as if something out there had hijacked its brain. For months, scientists feared the worst. The cosmic rays had permanently fried its memory, or that the loneliest Voyager had finally died. But NASA engineers refused to give up. Operating in the year 2024 and extending into 2026, they pulled off one of the greatest long-distance tech rescues in human history. They discovered that a single chip responsible for formatting the data had failed. From billions of miles away, sending commands that took nearly 2 days to go and come back, they manually hacked the ancient computer. They relocated the broken code to a different part of the system. In mid-2024, a miracle happened. Voyager 1 began speaking to Earth clearly again. It was a triumph of human engineering. But this victory comes with a tragic countdown. While NASA successfully fixed the computer glitch, they cannot stop the ultimate enemy, time. Voyager 1 is powered by 3 nuclear batteries that convert heat from decaying plutonium into electricity. But every single year, its power drops by about 4 watts. To keep it alive, NASA has been forced to turn off its heaters and non-essential scientific instruments, one by one. Its famous cameras were permanently turned off decades ago, right after taking the final image of Earth. Today, it is freezing. Operating at temperatures below -100 degrees Celsius, Voyager 1 is barely clinging to life. Its sensors are shutting down. As we look at it today, it is running on borrowing time. Scientists predict that soon, the power will drop below the absolute minimum required to send a radio signal. Voyager 1 will fall completely silent, its transmitter will broadcast its final whisper to Earth, and then, total silence. Humanity's furthest outpost will become a ghost ship, floating blindly in the eternal cosmic dark. But its silence will not be the end of its journey. With no friction or air in space, Voyager 1 will never stop moving. Even when its heart stops beating and its instruments go cold, this metallic traveler will continue its lonely odyssey, drifting through the Milky Way for millions, perhaps billions of years. In about 40,000 years, long after its batteries have died, Voyager 1 will finally pass within 1.6 light-years of a star called Gliese 445 in the constellation Camelopardalis. It will continue to cruise past other suns, other worlds, completely untouched by the chaos of Earth. It is a true, immortal monument of human existence. Think about the scale of time. Continents on Earth will shift. Oceans might dry up. Human civilizations will rise and fall. And perhaps one day, humanity itself might vanish from existence. But out there in the vacuum of deep space, Voyager 1 will still be intact. It will carry our music, our photos, and our greetings across the cosmos. It is highly possible that Voyager 1 will outlive our entire planet. If an alien civilization ever crossed paths with this ancient ghost, billions of years from now, they will pull out the golden record. They will listen to the sounds of a long-lost planet called Earth. They will hear our thunder, our laughter, and our messages of peace. Voyager 1 will tell them a beautiful story, that once upon a time, on a pale blue dot, there lived a species capable of reaching for the stars. Voyager 1 is no longer just a NASA mission. It is humanity's eternal footprint in the cosmic ocean, a silent witness to our existence, drifting forever into the unknown. Thank you for traveling to the edge of the universe with us. If this journey blew your mind, hit that like button. Share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to Smart Fact Sphere for more cosmic mysteries. Until next time, keep looking at the stars.